In this video, we will go over the different types of Outlook data file and folders. Something that is very important to note is that this info applies to Classic Outlook only, and not New Outlook. This is because New Outlook does not store data on your PC and does not use the same type of data files as Classic Outlook. We have a dedicated video about the differences between New and Classic Outlook as well as how to switch to Classic Outlook. Link is in the description. There are two main types of data files in Outlook. A PST file is an offline copy of all of your emails, contacts, calendar events, and so on. This data can be accessed at any time. If you do a backup of Outlook data, the backup would be in a PST format. An OST file is similar in that it stores all of the data, but the OST file indicates that the contact and calendar data is being synced somewhere, such as an Exchange account. The main difference is that PST files can be imported directly into Outlook, and OST files cannot. In theory, you shouldn't have to back up an OST file because it is synced to a cloud, but of course making backups is always a good idea. To see what kind of data file you currently have, open Outlook. Then go to File. Click Account Settings and then Account Settings again. Click the Data Files tab. Look at the file extension in the location field. See how it says .ost, this means I am using an OST file. Let's move on to folder types. These are slightly different than the data file types. IMAP and POP or POP3 are the two main folder types. IMAP is the newer protocol and generally works better. IMAP supports multiple devices and POP does not. POP downloads emails and then deletes them from the mail server. Because the data is deleted on the server, it cannot be downloaded onto another device, so if you download an email on your PC you cannot access it on the phone. For this reason, it is not recommended to use POP. There is also a third folder type, which is used for Exchange accounts only. This folder type is similar to IMAP, except that the data that is in the folder is being synced to an Exchange account. We have a written version of this video linked in the description as well as all the Microsoft articles cited. There are also written steps for turning off New Outlook. Thanks for watching our video. We cover Outlook topics frequently as well as many other technology topics.